So if you saw my last video, you know that I have switched to Westcott lighting entirely, and I'm really excited about it, and I decided that I would take the time to make separate individual videos to unbox every single item that I get. Now, I'm not going to unbox all of the duplicate items because I got a lot of multiple things, but I am going to show you an unboxing experience so that you can know exactly what to expect when you get these products. So the first one I wanted to start with is their most popular one, and that is the FJ400 2. This one came out early this year at Imaging USA. They announced it and unveiled it along with the FJ800, which will be for a separate video. And this is my first time seeing it in real life, aside from on the demo floor. So I have seen it, but my own units. So let's go ahead and crack it open. So beautiful box, super nice design on it. Talks about the features and stuff like that. I'll probably keep this. And that is what it looks like opened up. Super simple, actually. Oh, there we go. Now, I opted to get the individual items. You can actually buy a backpack kit, which comes with 2 of them, which is really cool. But the reason I got the individual kits is because I wanted all of the magnetic filters that go with the kit. So when you buy this, you get 1 set of filters. When you buy the duo kit with a backpack, you also only get 1 set of filters. So in this way, I don't have a backpack, which I could buy separately, but I do have 2 sets of filters. So that's why I did it this way. Okay, cool. Comes with a little layer of protection for the logo there. That's nice. How thoughtful. Yeah, nothing in there. There's a back pocket. Oh, that's like a luggage strap. That's what that is. Cool. Very nice. Very high quality. And then the bottom has rubber feet. That's awesome. My table is a little bit wobbly, so it's not a good representation, but also has metal hooks for shoulder strap, it looks like, so that's awesome. All right, let's go ahead and crack it open, I guess. See what's inside. These zippers zip really smooth. I like that a lot. Okay, here we go. Top flap. Let's see what we got. This, I would assume, is the filters, yeah. Let's pop that open there. These are the magnetic filters is my guess. Yep. Sweet. That's cool. I'll have to look it up, but this is definitely a set of different filters. So this, oh, this is just a holder here. So there's nothing in that one. That's transparent. Interesting. This one is like a CTO. This one is a diffusion. This one is a green corrective, I'm assuming for glass or for fluorescent. And this looks like a half CTO. This might be a double CTO, looking how orange it is. I'm guessing this is half, I'm not sure. I'll have to look it up online. I'll put it up on the screen. But I think that's everything. This talks about how to use, I guess, the FJ800 and FJ400 too. So that's pretty sweet. Rapid box switch, got some of those. We'll open those later on. And what else? Aha, yes, the USB-C to USB-A cable. That will be for updating the firmware, which I've heard is really easy, actually. So let's go ahead and stack these up, get them off to the side. Cool. Really nice. I'm actually really pleased with this carry bag. It's extremely high quality. I love it. Cool. Here's the shoulder strap. Super simple. I usually never use those, but we'll see. Let's go ahead and see what's here besides the strobe real quick. This is the rapid box switch insert that comes with every strobe that you get, I believe. And I think it's really cool they do that because no matter what softbox you get, if you get a rapid box, you already have the quick release adapter thingy, speed ring thing. I don't know what you call it. But yeah, so perfect. Bowens mount just clips right in to that speed ring, I guess. So you don't have to buy your rapid boxes with these adapters unless you need more. So that's pretty cool. Yep, so this is the charger. Easy peasy there. Pretty straightforward. That's the battery. Oh, wow, I love that design. That's a really nice design. We have a test button, there we go. Pretty full, that's good. All right, the strobe. Let's see what's here. Okay. All right, so that's the big boy right there. Pretty cool. There's a release here. Release button you pull back for the bones mount. There we go, so take off the reflector. The reflector feels really nice. There's the glass dome, the protective dome for the flash tube. If you've ever worked with strobes before, you should know, or if you don't, you should know now, never to touch the flash tube with your fingers. You can touch the glass dome, but never touch the actual flash tube because it can cause it to wear prematurely. They're very delicate and it could cause them to pop early. So if you ever change that, which is an amazing thing about Westcott that I like, is their user replaceable flash tubes, which I couldn't do with my previous strobes. But yeah, feels really good. High quality, super robust there. No worries there. This is where you pop the battery in, it looks like. Let's see here. How does this go in? Well, line them up. Snaps right on there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so you press and hold this, touch to power on. There we go. Well, there it is. Nice. Was not expecting the modeling lamp to pop on right away. Yeah, that's great. I'll have to figure out how to use this. I've seen some tutorials here and there, but this is the strobe power. I love that. Nice. So I'll have to mess with the settings and things, but feels really good, looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Let's check out the reflector here. Clips on nice. Let's throw on this CTO gel. Oh, easy. There you go. Just magnifies right on. Super cool. I think that's it. I think that's all it comes with. So yeah, we've got the strobe, the gels, the carrying bag, the shoulder strap, all this trash, which I will clean up here in a bit. USB cable, rapid switch box, and the carry bag. Pretty sweet. Oh, and I forgot that I also got this with it. It's a separate purchase, but I think it fits with this unboxing because really it's only usable for the default reflector here. But this is their 30-degree grid. Super simple. And from what I understand, it simply just clips right on here to this. There we go. A bit of a tight fit, but it does create a nice grid to control the light spill. So have a look at that there. Not bad. So there you go, that's the Westcott FJ400 II. Super stoked about it. I'm really excited for the creative features like creative mask mode and things like that. I'm excited for the exposed bulb head, which provides more teaching opportunities for lighting that I couldn't do with the recessed head and things like that. And yeah, so stick around. Be sure to subscribe. If you want to, you can get my free portrait lighting guide or my gear guide if you go to lumauniversity.com. If you go to lumauniversity.com/gear, you can find links to this. And if you sign up for my email newsletter, you'll also get a exclusive discount code for Westcott's website. So I guess with that, I will leave you at it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them, but I'm super stoked to finally have these in the studio. So let's go.